Dear students, we are stepping into Module 6, and today's class we are going to discuss about the wave equation for free space. In the last module, we derived different expressions of how the electromagnetic waves propagate in a medium, propagate in a free space, propagate in a conducting medium, and let's see how the electromagnetic waves can be mathematically represented. So the expression is L square E is equal to mu epsilon, the partial derivative of E. So this is the expression of the wave, electromagnetic wave propagating in a lossless medium. Now let's see how we can express this equation in a phasor form. Phasor form or phasor value. So we know that Euler has proposed an equation of e power j theta equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. This is Euler's equation, where cos theta term is the real part and j sin theta term is the imaginary part. So any complex numbers we can express with exponential form e power j theta. Similarly, E can be expressed in terms of j theta. So let us take E of x comma t is equal to E is a function of x comma t, because E electric field is function of the space, coordinates and time, that is equal to the real part of E of x e power j omega t. We substitute this equation. Let us take this equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. We substitute 2 in 1. So this becomes del square real part of E j omega t is equal to mu epsilon d square d square e power j omega t. So this becomes, then what is this? If you take the partial derivative of this the phasor value of E with respect to time, that we are taking 2 times. So this becomes, let us take this e square by d square of e power j omega t is equal to, so E we can take it out, e power j omega t. So this is equal to E. If you take 1 times, so j omega t, this becomes j omega d by dt e power j omega t. To do it again, so this becomes E j omega into j omega into e power j omega t. So this becomes minus e omega square, because j square equal to minus 1 e power j omega t. So we substitute here in our previous expression. So this becomes del square real part of e power j omega t is equal to minus omega epsilon e real part of e power j omega t. So rearrange these expressions. You can take out a real part out. So this becomes a real part del square e plus mu epsilon here one term is missing, so omega square, which we forgot to substitute this here, so this one omega square mu epsilon omega square e power j omega t equal to 0. That means we can carve out this expression So this is a phasor expression. This is a phasor form. So, but our actual wave equation was like this: del square E plus mu epsilon d square E by dt square. So the easiest way to remember this expression is just replace dot square by dot square with an omega square. If you replace dot square by dot square with an omega square, you will get the phasor form. This is the easiest way to remember the wave equation in phasor. Okay, now we write it again. Dot square plus mu epsilon omega square E equal to. So let us substitute this term with b square. So this becomes dot square E plus beta square E equal to 6. So beta square is nothing but omega epsilon omega square mu epsilon omega square. So from this expression, beta equal to mu epsilon square root omega, where beta is called phase shift constant. Now take this expression and see that omega by beta is nothing but the velocity of propagation, the velocity of the electromagnetic wave. This is equal to 1 by square root of mu epsilon. Since the wave is propagating through a lossless medium, so the mu become mu naught and epsilon become epsilon naught. So if it is a free space, let us take it as v naught. V naught is nothing but the velocity of the electromagnetic wave in a free space. And this is the wave velocity in a medium. So v naught become 1 by, so mu become mu naught and epsilon become epsilon naught. So finally we derive the expression of the electromagnetic wave equation in phasor form, and from this phasor expression we obtained what is the velocity of the electromagnetic wave in a free space. So these are the very important equations. So we can use this expression to find out what is the velocity with which electromagnetic wave propagates in a free space. Thank you.